All right, ROK Realty report. End of summer. Can't believe it's September. Really, really crazy. Favorite time of year personally is the fall time. So very, very excited for that. Very excited for football season. So the main story is the existing sales keep declining. Existing sales are actually active home sales in the market. So those numbers keep declining month over month for the past 6 consecutive months. So what we're seeing is higher interest rates are keep declining these numbers, but also what is parlaying into that is the prices are also decreasing. So the first month in 3 years, we had the first price decrease in the marketplace. So I know a lot of the buyers that were waiting for a little relief there are pretty happy about that. Sellers may consider accelerating their plans. We don't know where this is going to lead. What also is contributing to that is also the inventory. So inventory is saying at 3.3 months of supply. And just for context, 1 to 6 months of supply is a seller's market. So 3.3 is right in the middle there. So as that keeps inching up and up and up, the buyers may be able to get some more favorable terms in the marketplace. Usually, in the past couple of years in COVID, the inventory has been saying around 1 month of inventory, meaning that if no other homes came on the market, the whole inventory would sell out in about 1 month. But now it's 3.3 months. So we're actively monitoring that. We're just seeing what's going on there, and I will be reporting on that as changes happen here. The last story is OpenDoor was fined $62 million by the Federal Trade Commission. OpenDoor is an iBuyer program. They started in Arizona, based in San Francisco, and just this year they came into the New York and New Jersey markets. And essentially, what they do is they approach sellers directly, or they advertise to sellers, and they basically were representing that they could get a higher price for the sellers by selling directly to OpenDoor, which is obviously false. If you have an asset, you want to have people compete for that asset. But also, what they were doing was they were charging higher fees than what sellers would have paid on the open market as well. So those two reasons combined basically caused the FTC to hit OpenDoor with a $62 million fine, which is pretty significant, although albeit they'll probably just raise the money from their investors that pour money into these services. So the lesson learned is never go with an iBuyer. Always consult with us. If someone wants to buy their home direct, I promise you they're always looking for a deal. So you just have to be aware of that and just learn from other people's mistakes. And hopefully we don't make these mistakes ourselves. So that being said, we're always here. If you have questions on any of this material, you want an individualized market consultation, we're happy to do so for you. And have a great start of your fall. Let me know if you have any questions.